In the heart of central Java, Indonesia, stands a monument that has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations. This is Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple. For centuries, it remained hidden under layers of ash and jungle, waiting to be rediscovered. At sunrise, its stones glow with golden light, a silent guardian of history, faith, and mystery. The story begins in the 9th century, during the powerful Sailendra dynasty. Tens of thousands of workers carried volcanic stone, carving and stacking them with precision. Without modern tools, they built a temple that rose like a mountain, a bridge between earth and the heavens. Borobudur was not just architecture, it was a sacred journey carved into stone. Seen from above, Borobudur is shaped like a giant mandala, a map of the universe. Its 9 stacked platforms represent stages of human existence, from desire and suffering to meditation and wisdom, leading finally to nirvana, symbolized by the great stupa at the top. Every step upward was meant as a step closer to enlightenment. But Borobudur is more than stone. Its walls speak. Over 2,600 relief panels tell stories: the birth of the Buddha, the cycle of karma, the path of compassion. Every carving is a lesson, every image a reminder. For pilgrims, walking along Borobudur was like reading a sacred book, one chapter at a time, toward the ultimate truth.
Then silence. For reasons still debated, Borobudur was abandoned. Some say volcanic eruptions forced people away. Others believe the rise of Islam shifted religious centers. The jungle claimed it. Roots, vines, and ash swallowed the temple. For centuries, Borobudur was a sleeping giant, forgotten by time.
In 1814, during British rule in Java, Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles heard rumors of a great monument hidden in the jungle. He sent a team of explorers, and what they found was beyond imagination. Buried under earth and vegetation lay the forgotten wonder of Borobudur. Its stones, once silent, spoke again. But Borobudur was damaged by time, earthquakes, and looters. Restoration began in the early 20th century. Later, UNESCO and the Indonesian government worked together in the largest restoration project in history. Stone by stone, the temple was cleaned, rebuilt, and revived. Borobudur rose once more, a phoenix from the ashes. Today, Borobudur is alive again. It is not just an ancient monument, but a place of living faith. Every year, thousands of monks and pilgrims gather here to celebrate Vesak, honoring the Buddha's birth, enlightenment, and passing into nirvana, as candles glow and lanterns rise into the sky. Borobudur reminds us of humanity's eternal search for peace. And yet, mysteries remain. Why was Borobudur abandoned? What hidden knowledge lies in its perfect geometry? Some believe its design holds cosmic secrets, a map of the stars, a message for future generations. Borobudur is both a question and an answer. As the sun sets over central Java, Borobudur glows with timeless beauty. It is a legacy of the Sailendra dynasty, a treasure of Indonesia, and a gift to the world. From the earth to the sky, from the past to the present, Borobudur continues to inspire, a reminder that even when forgotten, greatness endures. This is the forgotten wonder, the eternal legacy. If you enjoyed this journey into Borobudur's mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden stories of our world.